Welcome back to my Cali style shuffle series. In this tutorial, we are going to be going over the different techniques to T-stepping and rocking, and then we're also going to do a little combo at the end. Before we get into our combo, there are just a few tips and tricks that you need to know about T-stepping and rocking in order to make your T-stepping and rocking look a lot smoother and cleaner. So the first thing that you need to know is that when you are doing a rock or running man or any move, any combo, you need to follow a specific pattern. So for myself, that pattern is a straight line. For you guys, it could be a straight line, it could be a circle, it could be a continuous figure eight. The pattern you choose is totally dependent on you. The only thing that matters with this pattern is that you keep repeating it. So if I decide to do a figure eight and I'm facing my audience, if I do a move that causes me to face the side, my figure eight has now shifted from here to here. So you always need to keep the same pattern regardless of what direction you are facing. That's why I like to keep it a straight line, is because a straight line here is going to be really easy to figure out where the straight line is to my right, to my left, or behind me. It's just a simple straight line. The other thing that you need to know is when you are rocking, you always need to face your corners, as it will look a lot cleaner. So I will show you what rocking looks like when I'm facing my corners and when I'm facing my audience, so that you visually see the difference. Now, if I try rocking without facing my corners and just facing the front, this is what it will look like. So as much as it still looks good because I'm comfortable with the moves, it looks a lot better and more fluid if I'm facing my corners. So those are the two things that you need to know, need to live by this rule when you're doing your T-stepping and rocking, because it's going to make your shuffling look so much cleaner. Now that we have those two tips and tricks for our rocking and T-stepping, we could get into the combo. The reason I told you guys those two tricks is because they are going to be crucial to this combo, especially because we're going to be facing our corners when we are rocking, right? So first we're going to start off with our left hand corner, and we're going to rock to the side, and we're going to rock to the back, and we're going to rock to the side. And then when we do our toe, instead of dropping our heel down, we're going to jump both legs out. When you do your jump, you're going to face your audience. So doing that again, we have and 1 to the side, and 2 to the back, and 3 to the side, and 4. Then, once we have our and 4, this is when we're going to move into the next part, and we're going to start with rocks to the right. So let's go over this one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. So after your jump, you're going to do a rock to the right hand side. And then you're going to rock. Then you're going to rock to the back. And then for 7, you're going to step onto your left. So you're back here, you're going to step onto your left. And you're going to put all your weight on your left and drag your right foot up. And then for 8, you're going to bop it on the ground. So, starting from 4, remember we're going to rock to the right now. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Altogether, what that looks like, we're going to go and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to face the back now so that you guys can see what I'm doing. So remember, we are starting facing the left hand corner. So we're going to go and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. And now what that looks like with music, it would look something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So just a reminder, if that was done too quickly for you guys, you do have the ability to slow down the video, put it to about half speed, a quarter speed, whatever you need in order to learn the moves. So that is all for this week's tutorial, and thank you for watching.